Customer says gas pump makes weird noises like it is gargling coins. Dashboard Christmas tree, all warning lights throwing rave. Steering feels like stirring cold oatmeal with wet noodle. Engine appears to be melting into automotive fondue. Brake pedal triggers free metal drum solo dolphin concert included. Porsche 911 owner reports vibration feels like massage chair on steroids. Rim cracked, owner welded it himself, modern art wheel achieved. The whole new keyless start mode, also known as screwdriver party. Normal key start for comparison, boring but functional. Let us test light module disco strobe potential unlocked. Shifts sound like popcorn inside blender. Gearbox teeth probably filing divorce papers. Customer asks, is my car still alive or total zombie? Air conditioning quit blowing, now only offers hot breath hugs. Mechanic discovers plot twist incoming.